They are among India's smallest communities, yet their contribution to the nation's history, culture, and progress is immeasurable. The Parsis, keepers of Zoroastrian heritage, are facing a demographic decline like no other. With fewer than 57,000 Parsis remaining in India, the Government of India, through the Ministry of Minority Affairs, has stepped in with a dedicated and sensitive intervention. Jio-Parsi. Launched in 2013, Jio-Parsi is a unique population stabilization scheme with a three-pronged approach: medical assistance, community support, and advocacy. It aims to arrest the declining birth rate and ensure the well-being of the community. Medical aid under the scheme supports advanced fertility treatments like IVF and ICSI and also extends to post-conception care.
I got selected in the Parsi Jio scheme when I was pregnant in 2018 and my son is born in 2019. This little also help we are getting is very nice from the government. This money that we get used for his school fees or uska uniform and all of that.
For families and elders, the scheme offers monthly financial support, nurturing the next generation and honoring those who built this community.
I really from my heart thank and bless Jio-Parsi because from the time they have started helping us, it's been a big relief for me because I'm diabetic, I have hypertension and glaucoma, and the medicines are extremely expensive. So this money helps me a lot.
The advocacy component addresses another pressing need: early marriage, fertility education, and changing mindsets through community engagements. The Ministry of Minority Affairs in June 2025 held a biometric authentication drive in Mumbai, the city with the largest concentration of Parsis.
मैं यहाँ पे बायोमेट्रिक ऑथेंटिकेशन के लिए आई हूँ और मेरी प्रीवियस 2 साल की बच्ची है, फीमेल, और अभी सेकेंड एक्सपेक्टेड है. और ये Jio-Parsi स्कीम हमें हेल्प तो कर रहा है. फर्स्ट चाइल्ड के लिए मुझे फर्स्ट और सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर के लिए पेमेंट reimbursement हो गया था.
Over 100 beneficiaries participated in the drive, which ensures transparency, accountability, and continuous support under the scheme. With plans to expand biometric outreach to other Parsi hubs across India and integrate digital tracking, the government is ensuring that no eligible member is left behind. Jio-Parsi is a symbol of inclusive governance, where even the smallest communities matter. It celebrates not just the Parsis' past, but secures their future. अल्पसंख्यक कार्य मंत्रालय, भागीदारी से भाग्योदय.